So I came from a community college, actually doing a few of my basic classes, and I came here to K-State Salina because of the interactions you have and the personability of the campus. So I decided to come here, and yeah, I've loved it ever since I switched. Being a smaller campus, I think it's a great place to kind of interact with all the people around you on like a very close level. Everyone seems to know everyone here on this campus. Everyone remembers you here, and everyone here is very friendly and easy to approach here, and just enjoying those events that they have all going on all the time on campus has always been fun. The professors and faculty and staff that you get to meet here are all super friendly and easy to come and talk to. They're all very approachable people. It's just always been easy to come and talk to them one-on-one, and can really help relieve a lot of the stress that comes in with homework and school and life in general. It just helps being able to meet one-on-one with them, or even as a group, and just be able to connect with them very personally. I always liked just being able to make sure I do well in school and still get to have fun while I'm doing it, and so that's what really drew me to K-State Salina, was just being able to have those smaller class sizes and make those connections with teachers on a one-to-one level, and just getting all the support you need. So I think it's all been a positive impact for me. I am going to be actually really proud to have my degree from K-State Salina, because I think it just adds a unique talking point to anyone you talk to in the future with your career. I think it really sets you apart from the rest while still giving you that good credibility that you're wanting.